You hear the wind howling, the sky turns pitch black, and then, boom! The storm hits. Are you ready to face nature's fury? Most people aren't. But what if the next big storm isn't just coming? It's already here. Here's the truth. Storms today aren't what they used to be. Thanks to climate change, hurricanes are stronger, floods are faster, and tornadoes strike with almost no warning. In 2023 alone, extreme weather events caused over $300 billion in damages worldwide. If you want to understand these storms, you've got to know the science. Warmer oceans fuel hurricanes, shifting jet streams make wind patterns more intense, and melting glaciers mean heavier, faster rainfall than ever before. Remember, knowledge equals preparedness. But let's get real. When the storm hits, panic kills. Preparation always starts with your mindset. Make a storm plan, know your local evacuation zones, and actually rehearse it with your family. Storm anxiety is a thing, and being aware is your first weapon. Don't just rely on instinct. Use technology. Apps like FEMA, AccuWeather, and MyRadar can give you valuable minutes of warning. Keep your emergency kits ready. Water, flashlights, first aid, power banks. Don't wait for disaster to strike to get prepared. So what should you really do before, during, and after a storm? Before the storm, secure anything outside, charge your devices, and listen for updates. When the storm is raging, stay indoors. Keep away from windows and never underestimate the risk of rising water. Once the storm passes, avoid flooded areas, stay off the roads, and check in on your neighbors. I can't stress this enough. The aftermath can be even deadlier than the storm itself. Storms are inevitable, but fear? That's optional. The more you understand nature's fury, the better you can outsmart it. If this video gave you life-saving insights, don't keep it to yourself. Hit like, subscribe for more survival wisdom, and share this with someone who needs it. Comment below. What's your craziest storm experience? Stay safe, stay informed. Hey,